Give customers and your pockets the ultimate vending experience with Vending.com's Express Combo Vending Machine. This 2-in-1 machine has a sleek design and innovative features that will be sure to set you apart from the competition and keep your customers coming back for more. The Express Combo Vending Machine is not your average vending machine. This 2-in-1 machine is manufactured in the USA and dispenses both snacks and drinks. With 9 drink selections and 20 snack selections, it's designed to meet all your customers' cravings with ease. We found that for every 10 drinks sold, you can expect to sell 6 snacks. The compact and eco-friendly design, along with LED lighting, not only makes your products pop, but also makes it perfect for any location with high foot traffic. But the best part? This machine practically pays for itself. That's right, qualified customers can make no payments with no money down for 90 days. Then just pay only $5 a day. Sell a few items a day to pay for your machine, and then the rest of the profit is all yours. I told you your pockets would like this machine. You're probably wondering if this machine is easy to use. Loading the Express Combo is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-load pull-out tilt trays. And with 2 versatile bottle can trays and high-capacity can trays, you can offer the best drink selections and snacks without any hassle. You can trust our equipment to stand the test of time. Vending.com's vending machines are all made in the USA and come factory direct from Des Moines, Iowa, where we've been manufacturing quality equipment for over 92 years. The Express Combo comes with the state-of-the-art Greenlight card reader that accepts all major credit cards, debit cards, and mobile wallets. You can easily keep track of inventory levels, sales information, and more, all at the tip of your fingers. Are you worried about your customers possibly not receiving their purchases? Fear not. We produce vending machines your customers can trust. The Express Combo comes with our iVend guaranteed delivery system's infrared sensors, ensuring that each product vends or your customer gets their money back. It's a win for you and your customers. The Express Combo comes with a 2-year limited parts warranty and lifetime technical support. Your investment is protected and you'll always have the support you need. Vending.com's Express Combo is the ultimate vending solution that combines style, functionality, and profitability. Elevate your vending game today with the Express Combo. Your customers will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy vending!